From a simple spark of an idea to a light that now shines across schools and communities, this is Project Ranyag. Hello, I'm Reggie Fuzon Taktay, a teacher, the School Disaster Risk Reduction Management Coordinator of our school, Aringay National High School, Aringay La Union, Philippines, and proud proponent of Project Ranyag. It stands for Resilient Aringay Schools Nurturing Initiative, activating a safe and happy learning environment and gearing up disaster risk reduction and management. This project was born through the first Asia-Pacific Youth Innovation Challenges on Disaster Resilience, where the vision was clear: to make our schools safer, stronger, and ready for any challenge nature or life may bring. Project Ranyag has 4 key aims. Number 1, to protect learners and educational workers from death, injury, and harm within the school setting. Number 2, to ensure educational continuity in times of exposure to hazard or disaster. Number 3, to strengthen linkages between schools and stakeholders for DRRM investment. And lastly, number 4, to intensify risk reduction and resilience through both classroom learning and extracurricular activities. Through these aims, this project aligns strongly with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, SDG 4, Quality Education, ensuring safe, inclusive, and effective learning spaces. SDG 3, Good Health and Well-Being, protecting students and staff from hazardous environments. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, reducing the impact of disasters on schools and homes. In Aringay, we revitalize local wisdom by integrating community knowledge into modern disaster risk reduction strategies, a harmony of tradition and innovation. By honoring the knowledge of the past and fusing it with modern science, we empower our communities to face future challenges together. Partnership is at the heart of Project Ranyag. We work hand in hand with the local government unit of Aringay, the Philippine Red Cross La Union and San Fernando City chapter, and with support from the Korean Red Cross as our funding partner. Project Ranyag is not just about preparing for disasters. It is about building a culture of safety. It is about teaching students that resilience is learned, practiced, and shared. It is about ensuring that even in times of uncertainty, learning never stops and hope always remains. And that is Project Ranyag. I am Mr. Reggie Fuzon Taktay from Aringay National High School, Aringay La Union, Philippines, where in our school, together, we can make greater things happen. Maraming salamat.
Kaya naman kailangan ng paghandaan.
Maging handa